I have a long and glorious history of screwing up this algebra. You'd think I'd be warned by now. Okay? So, this is obviously wrong. This is wrong, although the conclusion I think is right. This is right and this is right. What's wrong is you don't multiply by v to the m over 1 minus m, because then that would require that you multiply this by this, which means you would add this exponent to this exponent, which doesn't divide it out in any way. Okay? If you're going to divide by v to the 1 minus m over m, you're going to multiply by v to the negative of that exponent, right? So you multiply by v to the negative of 1 minus m over m, which is v to the m minus 1 over m. Okay? Then a lot of the stuff that I crossed out now works, because when I did this and accidentally got the inverse of the exponent and then wrote that down here and then made the same mistake I was talking about here, it canceled out my mistake and I got the right result. It's fun, isn't it? Okay. So, just by being a little careless, or maybe a whole lot careless, writing down my laws of exponents wrong, making law of exponent errors when I'm lecturing my pre-calculus students about knowing the laws of exponents. This is really kind of interesting. Okay, well anyhow, if we multiply by this, it works out to give us m equals 1 minus m. Now the way that happens, I probably shouldn't have crossed all this out, but we get mqv, and this is hard to read, but we get m plus n minus 1 over m. Now, we don't want a v term over here because the left-hand side works out real nicely. The right-hand side, then, if it's v to the 0, is also nice, and now we have a first-order linear non-homogeneous equation in v. Okay? So, that occurs if v to the, what I've got here is v to the m plus n minus 1 over m. Now this is an exponent here. M plus n minus 1 would be 0 if m is equal to 1 minus n. So m is 1 minus n, and now in this case we're going to be able to solve the equation. Now everybody can work through the details as long as you're careful about the laws of exponents. Okay? The reciprocal of a to the b is a to the negative b, isn't it? Okay? And that's what I just wrote down very carelessly.